If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha. Yeah. I'm about to show you guys right now how to use the new apple pie oil, man. Look, this is how I use it. It's two ways actually you can use it. You can use it this way, how I'm just dropping it in my hair. And also, you can put how many drops you want in your hair, man. You know, some people has high porosities and some people has low porosity, which means some people have real coarse hair. Some people has more of a straight texture. So it all depends on how much, you feel you need to apply in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Your hair might absorb the product more faster than others. So I put like just amount how much I need. I can't even say, oh, you put 5 drops. I don't know. But as you can see, man, I'm using the new, I apply it everywhere in my hair pretty much. You know what I'm saying? I apply it everywhere all around. And then I'm brushing with the new V2, Go Drip V2 soft brush. You want to always apply your products in your hair and brush it in with the soft brush, okay? When you apply your product, and also apply your products last. Apply it, if you're using a hard, medium brush or whatever, you just went in with a crazy brush session. Apply your products in last, okay? That way you're not brushing your product out. You put your product in first. If you're putting your product in first and you get a brush session in, you kind of like brushing your products out. So that's why I put my products in last and I brush it in with a soft brush. You know what I'm saying? And plus you get more of a better shine and all that with the soft brush. I feel like, I know, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, man, I'm going in. As y'all can see, man, we going to go in with the brush. Well, we going to just only use the soft brush. Like I said, we only using that brush. So before all this, though, I did use the hard and medium brush. Yes. I used those two brushes first before I done this. But the video was going to be too long, so I didn't want to do all that. But, yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, this brush got stupid pull. I'm back 360, so I'm brushing my 360s. You know what I mean? Maybe you got 540s, maybe you got 720s. I don't know what your wave pattern is, but whatever pattern it is, man, just go with the grain of your wave pattern, as you can see. That's what I'm doing. But look at the pull on them bristles, bro. This brush is crazy, man. Like, it's a true softie, but it pulls like a medium. As you can see how my waves just pull like that. You pay close attention, you can see. Man, dog. Like, I love this brush. I ain't gonna lie. So after I went in, let me see. I think we're gonna hit the back next. Yeah, we should be hitting the back next. We hitting that 8-angle breakdown. You know what I mean? Y'all didn't know it's 8 angles of your head, man. 8 angles on your head that you gotta brush to achieve the best 360 waves. I showed you guys that before. I brushed my left too as well, like that. I hit it like with the it's two ways you can brush your left side. I like to hit it the other way, and then I like to hit it the way I just showed you. But anyways, it's time to hit the back now. We hitting all angles. Man, I was trying to get that lighting right. I'm like, man, I can't. It's crazy, right? But look how it glides on my head, though. Pause. Look at that. Look at them bristles. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy. But this product right here, man, like, it's a great shine product. It's also a great moisturizing product. After I get a good brush session in with the softie, I use my diamonds. I use my hands. Yeah, I use my hands, man. I just like to smooth it all in, It's just something I do. I've been doing for years. And then after that, I use the plastic bag. But I use my hands first just to get ready for the plastic bag. Then I pull out that plastic bag, you know what I mean, and go crazy with the plastic bag. As you can see the difference from when I was brushing, how it was kind of frizzy, to now it's already getting ready to lay down. You know what I mean? We pretty much prepping our hair to lay down. So when we put our do-rag on, it'll just be all in place, and you can save progress from that brush session. You know what I'm saying? You see the great shine too that the product gives. Great, amazing shine, bro. As you can see, that's what we want. We want definition, we want connections, and we want shine. That's what we want in our waves. I mean, what else would you want? Connect the waves. They gotta be connected, right? Break forks. We want great shine, so them things that look like healthy and shiny. And then we also want great definition, so you can see them things from a mile away. You know what I'm saying? We want to see them things from a mile away, man. That's how you know you got great definition. Look like them waves roping. You feel me? Then you're going to put that do-rag on. Put that poppyblasted People to Go merch do-rag on. I ragged up, and then this is when, I think this is probably about, right here is 3 hours later, I'm ragged. 3 hours later, I'm ragging. Here is the results. Wow. Bro, come on, man. Look at them results, bro. Results crazy, man. Results is crazy, man. It's laid down. Got the definition. Connections, I still got a lot of forks, man. I'm still breaking them things. Y'all bear with me, man. I'm only 7 months in. But I'm showing you guys every time, bro, that when I scalp, I'm showing you guys how to use it, the product. You know, how you get your waves back. The best products you should use. My products, bro. Go Drip is the best, man. Y'all see. I'm showing y'all every time I scalp, bro. I'm showing y'all every time I scalp. I'm using my own products to show you guys, you know, the process, the progress, the everything all in one. And that's how you want to do it, man. That way you guys can truly believe in me. And y'all, you know, ain't no cap in my step, bro. I'm really making these products, and these products are really helping my hair health. It's helping everything, my connections and everything. So if you want to get this product, man, you go to poppyblasted.com. They are now available. As you can see, this is the Go Drip apple pie butter and Go Drip apple pie oil. They're both available. This butter, I dropped that about 3 weeks ago. Look at it, bro. Look how you can dig that out real easy, and look how it's smooth and silky and creamy it is, bruh. Come on, man. You know you're gonna get good shine with that. You know you're gonna get good hold with that as well. Great hold. So go ahead and go shop right now at poppyblasted.com. Let's get it.